Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Tether USDT from Bitrue to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the evolving landscape of exchanges. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just switch platforms, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Kraken, and that your accounts are verified and funded. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your USDT balance. From there, look for the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Pay close attention to the network you're using. For 2025, popular options might include Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, so double-check that it matches what Kraken supports to avoid any lost funds. Now, head over to your Kraken account. Go to the Deposit section, select USDT, and copy the wallet address provided. This address is crucial. It's like the GPS coordinates for your crypto. Back on Bitrue, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Once you're ready, hit Confirm, and keep an eye on the transaction status. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion and fees. A quick word of caution: always be aware of withdrawal fees, which can vary, and never share your private keys or wallet details. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. By 2025, exchanges like Bitrue and Kraken might have updated interfaces, so keep your apps or browsers up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Tether. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, but if you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.